Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off haptic feedback on Keypress on Gboard. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Now, locate the Gboard option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Preferences option. Tap on it, then scroll down and locate the Haptic Feedback on Keypress option. Unfortunately, this option is turned on by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap the Haptic Feedback on Keypress option to turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.